This video will show you how to install and launch StyleScope Agile Edition. To install StyleScope Agile Edition, run the installer that you downloaded from the iNetsoft website. If you have previously installed StyleScope Agile Edition on your computer, you will be asked whether you want to remove existing user preferences and assets. If you are upgrading from the previous version and you wish to retain the dashboards and data sets that you have previously created, do not select the Remove Existing User Information option. Leave this option unchecked, and then press Next. Installation may take a minute or two. StyleScope Agile Edition runs as a service, which means that it starts automatically when you start your computer. On the final screen of the installer, select Start Service Now to begin the service running. Then press Finish. To launch StyleScope Agile Edition, open the Windows Start menu, locate the StyleScope Agile Edition program group, and click on Start iNetsoft StyleScope. This will start the StyleScope Agile Edition service if it's not already running, and then open StyleScope Agile Edition in a browser tab. If you are prompted to enter a license key, please do so. Then press Continue. If you are using the full licensed version, you will be prompted to enter a username for the administrator as well as a password. If you are using the free version, the administrator name is permanently set to admin. You will simply be asked to create a password for the fixed administrative user. Press Continue to proceed to StyleScope Agile Edition. It may take a moment or two for a connection to be made to the server. When you initially open StyleScope Agile Edition, you will see the Getting Started wizard. The Getting Started wizard leads you through certain basic steps that will help you get started creating data sets and dashboards. These include configuring email, which will allow dashboards to be mailed to different users, connecting to a database, which will allow you to pull live data from an existing relational database, such as Oracle, SQL Server, or MySQL, creating a data set, which allows you to construct the query that will retrieve data from your database connection, and creating a dashboard, which allows you to create the visualization of a data set that you will present to users. If you do not wish to use the links provided by the wizard, you can close the wizard and use the tabs at the top of StyleScope Agile Edition to access all of the functionality available within StyleScope Agile Edition. Please see the other videos in this series for more information about all of the functions and features of StyleScope Agile Edition. To return to the wizard at a later time, you can always press the Open Wizard button at the right side of the interface. For more detailed information about the features of StyleScope Agile Edition, please see the documentation, which you can access by pressing the question mark at the top right. You may also wish to visit the StyleScope Agile Edition forum. The forum allows you to discuss issues with other users and with iNetsoft staff members.